I'm in the fish market of the Char Bangla Church. That's what the fishermen call it. Whew, it is hot. It's typical Mumbai. And why I'm here is because of that. You can see that wonderful, gorgeous lady over there. She's one of the fisherwomen. They all apparently the whole catch is from Mumbai itself. They catch it and they're gonna be she's gonna be basically making for me. I've picked up some white bait and I'm gonna be making something good out of it. I will be going around the market more. So I'm here with Mrs. Pratibha. Mausi is what she wants me to call her, which means my mom's sister. It's a wonderful way of calling an elderly lady here. Mausi, अभी ये क्या मच्छी है बताओ?
ये बोम्बिल, मांदेली और ये वेरिले.
Okay, so that's actually a Bombay duck. It's a local fish. It's a delicacy over here. The only worry that I have is I've never cooked that fish before, so I don't know what I'm gonna make out of it. I have taken some white bait. थोड़ा खोल के दिखा दो जरा. So I've taken a silver white bait. This is my go-to fish if I'm trying to make some chakna. I'm just gonna toss it in some corn flour, some spices, and that'd be good. Holy Lord, I am actually like a kid in a candy store. This is fresh. This is just out of... अभी ये कितना पैसा लिया तुम मेरे से? 150. So that's $3, guys. I would happily pay $6-7. What you've got to realize is, in most of the cities, be it Melbourne, be it Sydney, be it Bombay, the culture of buying locally is dying. And I honestly want you guys come out, forget the smells, forget the things. If the food smells, that's when it's good. These are the people who break their backs doing the work. And I think we spend more money than that on a bottle of Kingfisher. So I just hope I do justice to what she has just given me. That is brilliant produce. It's come this morning. I'm itching to cook.
Soon.
I'm here with the one and only Miss Anjali, your favorite TV soap opera star. And my host. Oh, yeah, the Australia needs to know that you're a very famous Indian actress.
Yes. But yeah, this is like my mom's house is like right behind this.
Okay.
So if you go by a road, it's like it's gonna take you 5 minutes, but it's actually right here. So my school was right here.
Okay.
Okay, St. Louis Convent High School. And we used to come out, and mom still buys from here. So she used.
Alright, we are headed back to Anjali's place with the fresh fish. And I'm getting used to the smell and the heat. I'm not sweating as much. I'm looking forward to cooking this meal. Wish me luck. That is not the best way of
It's okay.
doing the fish, but if it works.
It's an Indian kitchen of a bachelor who stays in Bombay. So yeah, don't expect too much.
देखो माँ मेरे हाथ पीले हो गए.
Please, in India have just like possibly we may have some suicide notes tomorrow. Chang के हाथ पीले हो चुके हैं. There's no hope for
Too
it.
late. Too turmeric latte.
Honestly, on a turmeric latte. No, we didn't say that.
No.
So what Chang is actually doing there is in traditional Indian cooking when we make fish, one of the ways that the raw fish used to be preserved and obviously given a bit of Dobby's loving if he wants to do the video too.
Dobby's ball's gone below the sofa again. So yeah. Hi Dobby.
Hey Dobby.
Hello.
What's up?
Yes.
Tati, you're gonna love him. Absolutely gonna love him, and I promise you, you're gonna come to
Yes.
He loves you too.
I do.
So what happens is when you add dirt and salt, yes, Dobby, and as Dobby said, it seasons it, and it also protects it from going bad.
And no smell.
And no smell.
So there's lots of fish happening here today. I'm a happy girl. And there's prep happening here.
This is well.